Now let's see how to create storage bucket via Terraform. Step 1. Run the command gcloud-auth login. You will be provided with a link. Copy-paste the link on the browser and then enter the password. When asked to sign in to Google Cloud SDK, hit continue. When asked if Google Cloud SDK wants to access your Google account, hit allow. And now you are authenticated with the gcloud CLI. Repeat the same steps for command gcloud-auth application default login. Step 2. Now set your Coda project and the project where you would like to create your storage bucket. Step 3. Grant user who will be running the Terraform, IAM role, storage admin and storage object admin in the project where the bucket will be created. In this example, Diana at ctech-academy.com will be creating the bucket in Finance Reporting Dev project as an example. Step 4. Unzip terraform-gcs.zip file, edit terraform.tf vars file, and update the values for project, name, admins, viewers, and labels as per your requirement. Step 5. Run Terraform init. Once successfully initialized, run Terraform plan. Make sure that you verify your plan. And then finally, run Terraform apply. When asked to enter in value, type yes. As you can see, Terraform apply is successful. Now go to the console, select the navigation menu and search for cloud storage and then click buckets. Verify that the bucket is created in the respective project with all the settings that you have provided in Terraform. Now the Google Cloud Storage bucket is ready for use.